Imagine a world where losing a limb doesn't mean disability, but renewal. Picture an arm that doesn't just regrow, but forms a brand new being. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of some of Earth's most overlooked creatures, starfish. Welcome to the deep ocean, where evolution has equipped some animals with powers we humans can only dream of. Today, we explore one of nature's greatest mysteries, the starfish's ability to regenerate and, in some cases, clone itself. How does this work? What biological secrets allow this? And what could it mean for the future of science and medicine? Let's dive into the world of self-cloning sea stars. The basics of starfish biology. Starfish, or sea stars, aren't really fish at all. They belong to a group called echinoderms, which also includes sea urchins and sea cucumbers. With radial symmetry, starfish typically have 5 arms, but some species can have dozens. These arms are lined with tiny tube feet that allow them to move, grip surfaces, and even pry open shellfish. Starfish have no centralized brain. Instead, they have a nerve ring around their central disc and nerve cords that extend into each arm. The decentralized nervous system is crucial to their regeneration abilities, as each arm contains parts of the vital systems. What is regeneration? Regeneration is the process of regrowing lost or damaged tissues, organs, or limbs. In starfish, this ability goes far beyond healing. In certain species, a single arm that's broken off with a portion of the central disc can grow into a completely new starfish. This isn't just regrowth, it's a form of asexual reproduction known as fragmentation. And in the world of biology, it's a remarkable feat. Imagine being able to produce a clone of yourself simply by losing a limb. The cellular mechanism. So how does starfish accomplish this? The secret lies in their cells. Starfish have undifferentiated cells, similar to stem cells in humans, that can transform into different types of tissues. These cells gather at the wound site and begin forming new structures. The process begins with wound healing, followed by the formation of a regenerative blastoma, a mass of undifferentiated cells. These cells then proliferate and differentiate into muscles, nerves, and skin, effectively rebuilding the missing parts. Why only some species can clone themselves? Not all starfish are capable of full-body regeneration from a single arm. Some species require at least part of the central disc to be attached, while others can regenerate from just an arm fragment. Species like Lynchia multifora are well-documented cloners, able to regrow entirely from a lone limb. This difference lies in the amount of essential tissue each arm retains. The more complex the systems within an arm, the more likely it can function independently to regrow a whole organism. Evolutionary advantages. Why did this ability evolve? For starfish, regeneration offers survival benefits. If caught by a predator, losing an arm may allow escape. If that arm can regrow, or even become a new individual, the species increases its chances of survival and reproduction. In environments with low mate availability, asexual reproduction provides a backup strategy. Cloning oneself ensures the continuation of the genetic line even when conditions are unfavorable. Scientific implications. Scientists are fascinated by starfish regeneration because it could hold clues for human medicine. Studying their cellular behavior may help in developing treatments for tissue repair, spinal cord injuries, or even limb regeneration in humans. Researchers are particularly interested in the genetic signaling pathways that control regeneration. If we can understand how starfish activate and regulate these processes, we might one day apply the same principles in regenerative therapies. Threats and conservation. Despite their powers, starfish are not invincible. Pollution, climate change, and disease outbreaks, like the infamous sea star wasting syndrome, threaten populations globally. These diseases can rapidly disintegrate their tissues, ironically overpowering even their regenerative abilities. Protecting marine ecosystems is vital to preserving these fascinating organisms and the secrets they hold. The takeaway: the starfish's regenerative and self-cloning abilities challenge our understanding of biology. They're not just sea creatures, they are reminders that nature still holds incredible mysteries. As science advances, the humble starfish may guide us to breakthroughs in healing and regeneration. For now, they remain one of evolution's most astonishing creations, quietly reshaping themselves in the dark depths of the sea. If you found the mysteries of the starfish as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep sea wonders, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a story from the wild side of science.